What's going on, entrepreneurs? So today I want to talk about affiliate marketing, because that's what I excel in. That's what I've been doing for 5 years now, and it's my passion. I absolutely love this shit. So here's what I want to talk about. So I notice a lot of people in the various Facebook groups and even on Instagram. I've only been on Instagram for 3 weeks, but I've noticed this shit a lot. So here's what I've been noticing. I noticed that a lot of people have questions about why they're not selling any affiliate products, or why they're having troubles with sales. And honestly, one of the biggest things I see with a lot of affiliate marketers is they don't actually use the products that they're testing, or they don't use the products that they're reviewing, or they don't use the products that they're trying to make sales from. And that's one of the biggest problems I see, is you really can't fully know a product unless you're using it yourself, honestly. So if you're having troubles making sales and you're not actually using these products yourselves, I mean, it's inevitable. You're gonna have issues selling it. That's just common sense, I mean, if you want to make sales, you have to know all the ins and outs of all these products. So it just goes to show that when you truly get to know a product, you're really gonna know what you're talking about, and you're really gonna be able to help people out in solving their problems as far as what they're looking for in a product and whatnot. So this is one thing I've noticed about ClickFunnels in general, is there's a lot of people who are trying to sell ClickFunnels, and I've been seeing that. And I teach people how to sell ClickFunnels, and that's the one thing I've noticed in a lot of my students is they've tried to sell it before I've started teaching them. And when I teach them, they actually start using it. They have to start using it. I won't teach somebody how to sell ClickFunnels if they're not using it themselves. So, that's the thing. If you don't know the true ins and outs of, all these products, you're not going to sell anything. That's just how it is. So I just wanted to put that out there because, there's a lot of you that are having issues and don't have, you're not selling anything. Well, I mean, that's the honest, it's harsh, but it's true. So keep that in mind. If you want to make a killing with affiliate marketing, you really need to be using these products. So keep that in mind. Don't forget to follow me if you don't already. It's not really hard. You just click the follow button. Especially if you want, help and tips and tricks with affiliate marketing. I love helping people. That's all I do. I spread my passion through education. So follow me.